Friends, this is another question from your cash flow from operating activity, and in this question you will see there is a accrued interest of 3000 is here, and outstanding salary, this is 2000. Accrued interest is a current asset, and outstanding salary, this is a current liability. So let us solve this problem in this class. Friends, hope you all are keeping well and find the class as enjoying, because we are starting the cash flow from the very fundamentals. So in the second class we have done one problem on cash flow from operation, and in this class we are going to again do another one fundamental problem, and this is cash flow from operating activity. Both the problems have come in the Calcutta University BCom level. So anyhow, this problem are also important for class 11, 12 as well, higher secondary as well. So let us start with the cash flow from operating activity. So you have seen the question. The question is question number 2, and let us start with the answer. That is your net profit before interest, tax, extraordinary item. Net profit is given in the problem as 40,000. And provision for tax is given 30,000. So this net profit जो आपको 40,000 वो लोग दिए हैं, दिस इज आफ्टर डेबिटिंग 30,000. इसलिए अगर मैं बिफोर डेबिटिंग निकालेंगे then it will come to 40 plus 30, it comes to 70,000. इंटरेस्ट तो आपका नहीं है, इसलिए नेट प्रॉफिट बिफोर इंटरेस्ट, टैक्स एंड एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी आइटम is 70,000. Then comes the depreciation as given in your PL 20,000. Depreciation is a non-cash expenditure. वो डेबिट करने से पैसा बाहर नहीं जाता है, इसलिए depreciation is added. Suppose you provide depreciation of 20,000, getting a profit of 40,000. That means if everything is in cash, in your pocket there will be 60,000, क्योंकि depreciation डेबिट करने से पैसा बाहर नहीं जाता है, नॉन कैश एक्सपेंडिचर, इसलिए वो कैश में ऐड हो जाएगा. प्रिलिमिनरी एक्सपेंस रिटन ऑफ, ये भी आपका एक्सपेंडिचर रिटन ऑफ, इसी साल का कुछ पेमेंट नहीं है इसलिए ऐड. गुडविल रिटन ऑफ, दिस हैव ओनली रिड्यूसेस योर प्रॉफिट, ये प्रॉफिट को आपको कम कर दिया, इसी बार पेमेंट नहीं हुआ है गुडविल. सो गुडविल रिटन ऑफ ऐड. लॉस ऑन सेल ऑफ मशीन और प्रॉफिट ऑन loss on sale of machine is here, this will be added. Interest received, interest received is a non operating income, this should go to your financing activity, इसलिए इसको हम माइनस कर देते हैं. that is your loss on interest received. This comes to, ये करने का बाद आपका जो 93,000 आता है, दिस इज कैश फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन बिफोर चेंजेस इन वर्किंग कैपिटल. करंट एसेट करंट लायबिलिटी का चेंज होने का आगे आपका कैश फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन 93,000. देन इंक्रीज, आपका ऐसे करंट एसेट करंट लायबिलिटी ज्यादा नहीं दिया है, बट हियर योर सैलरी आउटस्टैंडिंग 2000, आउटस्टैंडिंग का ओपनिंग तो कुछ नहीं दिया है, क्लोजिंग दिया है आपका 2000. दैट मीन्स लायबिलिटी इंक्रीज, दैट मीन्स द company, the organization has not paid. Therefore money कहाँ है? अगर आप पेमेंट नहीं करते हैं तो लायबिलिटी ज्यादा होता है, अगर पेमेंट नहीं करते हैं तो पैसा पॉकेट में है, इसलिए 2000 will be added here. This is added. Here also interest accrued, that is interest not received. It is accrued, it will be received in the next period. So this is a current asset increase. When current asset increase, friends, that means my money is with the other hand, not in my pocket. Therefore it will be less. So accrued interest increase, ये आपका लेस हो गया. लेस होने का बाद आपका 92,000, दिस इज कैश फ्लो बिफोर टैक्स, कैश फ्लो फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन. दिस इज कैश फ्लो फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन बिफोर टैक्स. नाउ इफ यू डिडक्ट द टैक्स पेमेंट, it is given in the adjustment, tax payment is 25,000, then it comes to cash flow from operating activity आपका 67,000. So this 67,000 will come in the second column. Generally we make two columns here and this will come in the second column, right friends? If you will continue in the next class, if you like my video, please subscribe and offer your valuable comments, and if your answer you can always download from the Telegram link given in the particular channel in the description box. Thank you.